Stop eating these type of granola bars. Instead, get some protein bar. These are high in protein and lower in calories. Now, they might not always taste the best, but if you want to make it taste better, here's a low calorie and high protein snack to ensure you don't get those cravings anymore. Got it. So what you want to go ahead and do is bring out your scale and bring out a bowl. Make sure to go ahead and tear that puppy up. Then bring out some non-fat Greek yogurt. I'm using Chobani. Use 170 grams of this. I really like the Chobani one because it has a nice texture to it and it's really high in protein. Then go ahead and get your Think protein bar or just any protein bar. I like this one, and go ahead and microwave it. I know it looks like dog poop, but it's really good. Then go ahead and bring in your diarrhea, PB2, and it really adds some good peanut butter taste and also adds some protein in it. And also go ahead and drop some fruit in it. I like using frozen and then let it like melt in. And optional if the calories do count, I would add in some agave or some sort of honey in it. Make sure to track it just to make sure with your calories. And there you are. You have some nice low calorie and high protein meal. Doesn't look the best, but it's really good. I know it doesn't look the best, however, this is really good. I'm gonna put the macros on screen right now. And what you could also do is also add some protein powder in it. I think it's really good. Definitely the agave definitely really did help. So God bless you all in the name of Jesus.